is the key, where AI meets the C. Welcome to the first video of 93 parts Build Your AI Wealth Creation Digital Real Estate Community with Kajabi and AI in 93 parts, doing 93 videos, all about Kajabi. So if you've looked into Kajabi, if you've thought about using Kajabi for your online business, this is the video series for you. If you're on Kajabi, if you just want more help, this is the video series for you. We're doing it live. Change Crusaders, AI Change Crusaders, 93 parts. I'm gonna cover everything, just about everything from A to Z in this video, talking about Kajabi. I'm gonna talk about how Kajabi gives you leverage, and with AI and Kajabi, AI content creator, a way to get that passive income lifestyle in your online business with AI. So if you're looking into something that can simplify your process, trying to automate your business, if for your email list, know the money is in the list, for your online courses, your website hosting, all of that is in Kajabi. Kajabi is the all-in-one solution and video series for you. This 93-part series, you want to understand the Detroit ChatGPT revolution, how you can control your journey with 1% of imperfect action daily. The right process is educating yourself and stop making excuses with the opportunities AI can provide. Any online business, if you try out Kajabi, you can use my link, bit.ly/change Kajabi. And I've got a couple of cards for you for the first 30-minute AI wealth creation strategic session. We're going to talk about Kajabi and what we can do to build your online business. We're going to go over how all the different questions you might have in regards to Kajabi and building an AI business online. Have you ever thought about Kajabi? The first, the second, the third things about what you need to do to monetize and on your online brand to get the best start on Kajabi. We'll talk about how to get your first mini course up and running on Kajabi and how to start making money as soon as possible on Kajabi. All right, so let's talk about how Kajabi gives you superpowers or pretty much leverage with AI to get ready for the AI online business. Well, I thought I'd start out with this 93-part video series of creating an AI online business, just by telling you a little bit about my story that you might be able to relate to and kind of understand as the choices you make when you're dealing with business and life and your journey and starting any business online, 9 to 5 with family. Once upon a time in the not so distant past of 1993, a super achiever, Adriane, created waves at Ludington Middle School in Detroit, Michigan, being the top of their class in everything, leading community initiatives, athletics, well-rounded youth at the age of 13 from Detroit, Michigan. What up, though? Even at the age of 13, Adriane energy was infectious and her ambition was sky high. Fast forward to Adriane graduating summa cum laude from Murray State University with her electromechanical engineering degree, but not after doing impromptu card surfing with her basketball buddies to deter her distractedness with short-term memory loss. But there were crosswords, and crossroads happened, but she could not stay in her comfort zone as she helped launch a family project, the Chris Bosh Foundation. Guess what? Heroine from different challenges say hello to uncertainty and took the path of the less traveled, right? So the most chaotic times in 2021, with the world grappling with COVID-19, Adriane found herself at another decision of choice in regards to entrepreneurship with her mortgage brokerage, eczema being the factor with the actual COVID shot, starting Being the Change LLC, and having to close the doors to the 9 to 5. So in November of 2021, getting a whooping 120 leads from a Facebook webinar, a guide for success, a pitfall and understanding of ups and downs happened. 2023, Adriane knows that there are steps and strategies for the billionaire in the making. The AI wealth creation strategy can happen, but you're ready to rise like a phoenix, just like Adriane with AI. Right as your companion, download the insightful 93-part playlist and you'll be updated with some progress and get great wealth creation tips. Break the actual poverty trap, and what are you waiting for? Hop on the Adriane Express and ride the ride of your life. Billionaires in the making. What is your action plan? So I invested in coaching programs to build my knowledge base and learn and grow, and started becoming very interested in the concept of growing a target audience towards my why. Helping NBA families just like me and NFL families just like me not make the same mistakes I did with living benefits and financial education and AI wealth creation. To change the story, so many short-term millionaires with a strategic way with Kajabi to pay passive income. Starting a free YouTube affiliate marketing courses, trying different coaching programs, learning with Commission Hero, Robbie Blanchard, Ambassador with Chris Luck, looking at Profit Singularity, Jonathan Montoya, Freedom Accelerator, Millionaire Challenge System with Zach Crawford. The Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire Coaching Program, Igor Kiva's Ad Labs. Come on, I had programs, the Badass Marketing with Josh Osborne, the Last Econ with Justin Phillips, Full Stack Marketer with Kiana Kinneed. I wanted to make sure the information taught by me I could leverage and show others in the community. Design Joy's one-man millionaire concept made sense, so no one has walked in my shoes. Fit the pieces together with something beautiful with Kajabi and AI. You can earn a living for yourself, but becoming and monetizing your unique why. And I became interested with digital real estate, being able to help other entrepreneurs eventually put those pieces together as well. They had pieces of all kinds to put together from all these different entities. I had sources on different websites. I had an email list. I had a Get response. I had several different for all my different communities. I was building a course here. I was making an ebook there, using ChatGPT everywhere. All these different places online and all the different tools, and I found my time, and what I found is most of my time was spending a lot of money and time to manage all these different pieces and dropping the ball and not being very efficient. So it was very hard to keep up with all these different tools, and that is why Kajabi is the answer as an all-in-one system. You want to hit your goal. Your goal is introduction of Kajabi and how you can actually understand it. And I was hesitant at first. You have all this digital real estate online and all these marketers telling you different ways, and a lot of money you can save here and not there. But again, you have to have your strategy. You get to the pricing page on Kajabi and you're like, oh my gosh, $199 a month? That's it? And I thought it was gonna be a lot more for everything that they're offering to digitize and automate the passive income goal that we're looking for. We want to create passive income and afford a structure and strategy that will help us get there. And that is what Kajabi provides. So my AI Change Crusaders, AI Wealth Creation, the 93 playlist, keep it simple, stupid. We are literally gonna look at the change in the mirror and allow you to focus on what's important, and that's creating the passive income lifestyle. In this 93-part video series, we're gonna go over wealth creation strategies, and you're gonna have the ability to get back to your unique why, monetizing it with a strategy, a process, as all you need is an offer and an audience. Kajabi and AI will help you get there, figuring out what people want and how to help those, and developing that content and strategy that's best for you. With this AI course and the 93 step-by-step video, you will have Adriane, your AI wealth creation strategist from Detroit, Michigan. What up, though? Holding your hand through the process and being there every step of the way, but holding you accountable for no excuses, as again, figuring out the Kajabi ever-changing AI system. Yes, it's simple, but you have to take the simplicity and the education and be able to understand how to do it. So in this actual 93-part video series, you're in for a treat. You're gonna love learning and commit to learning and educating and getting around all those roadblocks that you set up for yourself, saying that success is not right around the corner. So you have AI. You have a virtual buddy, and you have Kajabi University available if you get stuck 24/7, and they have a Facebook group. No excuses. 93-part AI Wealth Creation Living Benefits Change Crusader video series. You're gonna love it because I can, I will, I must. Let's go.